Headphones on. Yo, turn it up. Turn it up with my headphones. Just, turn it up a bit more. A bit more.
Lately my flow's been so good, I've been getting myself gassed. You don't like how I talk, well fucking go talk to yourself then. When they need me I'll help them, I make mix CDs and sell them. And if they say thanks then I say you're welcome, it's either medium rare or well done. I made a few songs and my mum said well done, so now I'm proud that I made them. It's the best of British when I make them. Mistakes are there to be made, so made them. The day I stop music is the day when my body starts changing. Switch you up when the beat starts changing. There's gonna be a storm on every MC and no doctor in the world can save them. I don't care about no intimidation or even domination. When we play COD on a new PlayStation, love from you all is my medication. So just close your eyes like a deep meditation. Deep meditation. I've been there since the sick kid times, but not many listen to my rhymes back then. Still not famous, but that's not what I want. I wanna buy a yard for my mum so she doesn't have to pay no rent. Life's boring without no friends. They say beautiful, we say pain. Man, I like, can you spray that again? I'm like, course I can spray that again, but I don't wanna have to spray that again. For you to understand my life, like to say that you're gonna be there in the end. Sometimes I don't even wanna press call or send. I'm in my own zone with the wordplay again. Christmas, birthdays, every single one. You tried your best just to give your sons everything that they want. You succeeded and for that I thank you, mum. All my life you have been the only one to understand what is going on. You saw that I was different and still loved me as I was. A mother's love is forever. Mum, I love you so much. Such a kind-hearted angel that never gives up. Ever since day one, it's always been us. I remember as a kid how the family was in that volcano house that loved to erupt.